So this is what the car is gonna look like, or this is what the car looks like. It has the old halogen headlights, and I'm gonna change them into brighter white lights. I want to see which ones look better. Actually, I want white lights because these lights suck and I can't see at night when I'm driving. Yo, I'm not gonna lie, the old halogen lights look good on this car, but they look nice like how it is right now, because it gives it that like old school like look and like vibe to it, because they're orange. The lights are orange. This looks sick right here. Now the orange ones look good on the car, but wait until you see the white ones that I have for this car. Hopefully, actually no, it is gonna give it like a nice cleaner modern look to it. But these lights, I'm gonna save these old ones, the headlights, because what if the other ones would break, right? I got all the sexy Integra owners. All right, this video is sponsored by Innovated. Get your cookies today at www.innovated.com. Okay, so I got some HIDs by Innovated right here. I bought these on Amazon for like 40 bucks, I think. This is gonna give my car like that good look, you know? Here's a manual. Check this out. Oh yeah, you gotta make sure you don't touch the bulbs, because if you touch them, you know, you could fry them. Oh, how the... Oh.
Put on some gloves.
Oh, wait. I forgot which ones are the low beams, because these are low beam headlights. They're not high beams. The reason why I did that is because I just wanna like be able to see at night when I'm driving, because my low beams, which I'll show you right now, you can't see anything when you're like driving. So go over there and like record the lights.
The hell? Hey, you.
Okay, so these are my low beams right now, and I can tell you right now that this is like a very like nostalgic look because of the yellow like headlight, but these are supposed to be bright white, I think, and they're supposed to be a lot whiter, so it's gonna give it like a better look, and I'm gonna be able to see at night. I forgot I have to get rid of that. I have to aim my headlights, so I'm gonna need tape, otherwise I'm gonna blind everyone else on the street. But so the low beams are out here, in case you're curious. So it's gonna be here where they plug in. Oh, I don't think I have zip ties.
Yeah, we do.
Do we? You don't have to record. This is the kit. Wait. Damn.
But damn, you did a lot when I was gone.
Wait. Hey yo, 2 hours on trucks. What they doing?
What? Record them.
Hey, turn it back up. This box is the ballast. So this is what gives. No, look down here. This is what gives it like that bright look. See, right there. These are HIDs, by the way. And look, they even came with a frame if I need to mount it like to the wall or somewhere.
There's a lot of weird things going around this neighborhood.
Yeah.
Did you hear that person scream?
Yeah. Someone screams. Someone's playing weird ass music over there. There's 2 Amazon trucks over there just chilling. Someone, yeah.
Did you hear it again?
Yeah. Oh wait. Come back over here. Oh, this is literally like literally just plug and play. So
Fold it. The light, like how you did yesterday.
Yeah, I forgot about that. Bro, what would I do without you? Like that?
Yeah.
Alright. So all we have to do is just, I think it's like this. Oh! Oh, fuck. No, I'm like, oh.
Don't do that.
See what you made me do now.
Nah, don't blame it on me now. Don't blame it on me now.
Hey, at least I didn't drop this because this is glass. I just had it right now. Oh, okay. Just plug it. Now plug it over here. Right? Oh, no, the other way. Okay, that's half of it. This, where does this go? What's he doing? Let him play with his dogs, bro. Don't do him like that. Does this go here? Hey, well, this is more important right now. I'm gonna get HIDs. Does this go here? Yeah, okay. Hey, yo. So this is what it looks like. Bulbs. Oh, I need to cut this. And then this piece, I think it connects to the original one. Wait, what? Watch out. Say what you mean. Well, I wish I knew you wanted me.
Copyright.
Oh, not my thumb, bro.
Want me to do it?
I think I got it. I don't got it. There's a tiny little bulb, or bulb. Okay, now I just need to take this off without breaking it. Now, if I don't like the bright HIDs, I still want to keep these to give it like that old look back if I ever want to go back, which I probably won't because I'll be too lazy. And I just need to take this off. I wish I can use my right or my left. The thing won't come off. Okay, now what do I do? All right, now let me take off this bulb. All right, that was easy.
That was nice.
All right, this is the old one. Now
Out with the old and
here.
in with the new.
Shut up. Now we should just plug it into here.
I want to touch it.
The only problem is you have to find a place for the ballast, the power box, somewhere that doesn't like heat up or that's hot. I'm guessing we plug it in like this, like that.
Isn't the bulb gonna get hot?
Yeah, it is.
As soon as you take that stuff out, the foam. Where you gonna put that though? The box.
Box? I don't know. Just want to make sure the wires are nice.
sit right here, bro.
Don't sit on my car. Some people have them like this. I want to make it look neat. So something like this. Okay, so I'm gonna plug it into the old one. Hopefully it goes in. Almost there. A little bit more. Still a little bit more. I don't like this because I need my left hand, but the blisters in my left thumb for sure gonna pop it by the night. All right, it's in, I think. So now let me turn on the car.
Take the foam out.
Oh shoot, you're right. Come follow me. Where we have our tools. Aha. Shake it like a randos. Okay, back to here. Is that them? It's not them.
Your mom.
Your mom. Unboxing some HIDs. Ooh, I like how they wrap that. Can you do me a favor and hold this up like this? Actually, no, you're gonna get blinded by the light.
Plug it in.
I don't like this mess I have right here. That looks good-ish. I'm starting to think this side is supposed to go on the left side. Because you see how this wire is going this way?
Yeah.
With the light?
Look at the other one.
Shouldn't it go on the other side? I honestly can't tell.
Follow the thing. I can't see.
Unless I installed it weird. Because I installed it like that. Should have been like this, I think. It doesn't matter though, because I could just unplug it right now. I hope I don't have to line the light. Oh, I got it. Alright, it's in. I just hope it doesn't like burn off or something. Like when I turn on the lights. Careful not to look at it because I think it might be too bright.
Okay.
Ready?
Yeah.
How does that look? Yo, that looks sick though.
Mm-hmm.
It's not that bright though. Yo, right there you can see there's a big difference. Be honest, which one do you like more? The white one or the yellow one? Which one do you think looks cleaner? Yo, that's sick. You can see it on camera. The white's like a lot brighter.
I like the white one.
Sick. Yeah, look, see, I don't have to angle it. Because you want to, when you're like installing lights, sometimes you have to angle them. And you have to make sure like they're like kind of like the same height. Almost. Because when you're driving, if this is like just straight, you're going to blind everyone. That's sick though. Oh my gosh, it looks so clean now. And that's easy. It's just plug and play too. Maybe we should get some for yours too, your MR2. Unless you want to keep the old ones. I wonder if visibility will look better at night. We should drive right now when we're done.
Nice.
Yo, that is sick. Which one do you prefer? The OEM yellow halogen? Or do you like some bright white HIDs? Yo, this looks sick right here. I have a problem with one of the lights right here where it's like rusted.
What the fuck? Where'd you get the glasses just from?
What'd you say we had zip ties in your car?
Yeah.
Are you recording?
Yeah, I'm recording now.
Check this out, bruh. Check this out. I don't get copyright by that guy.
Damn.
Yo, that's clean. Yo, I'm gonna cry and I'm gonna start. Just don't look at this. There's like rust on that terminal.
Let's get the good side. The bench is in the way.
Hold on. That's not even the good side. Hope that's secure. So on this side, the old OEM halogen bulb was so hard to get out because it was like dirty on the like this part. So it took a minute, but it's basically the same thing what we did on this side, where we took the old bulb out, we plugged in the ballast to the HID, and then we plugged it in like a regular bulb where you screw it in, and then that's the result. Hey, you know I have some old I did a like old TikTok of how the old fix the light right here since it was broken?
Yeah, now it's fine. Let's turn it on again. Because if you notice, usually what HIDs do is the HID is a gas bulb and then takes some time for it to like warm up and get brighter. So, see? You hear that noise, right? I think it's the ballast.
This one.
Yeah, this one's quiet. And it was burning too, or something was burning.
I think it's this one.
Oh yeah, it is. Hear it?
Turn it off.
I wonder if it's okay though. I don't know why it does that. The other one doesn't do that, huh?
No. Or is it all plugged in, right?
Yeah, I think. Otherwise it wouldn't turn on.
Turn it off and then try.
Oh my gosh, people are looking at me. That's it for today's video. Yo, this light looks pretty good. That's gonna be it for today's video. I hope you like, comment, and subscribe, and just appreciate the new headlights. I'll see you in the next one. Oh, by the way, check out that. Can you see that? That's nasty. Can you see that? Can you see my nasty blister? Ew, my blister. Yo, this lighting though, sheesh. All right, peace out.